Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sig P365 XL, but this time at the Coyote Tan or Coyote Brown NRA edition. Now please don't start throwing pizza and tomatoes and anything at the screen right now. I don't care about the NRA part, although you do get in the case, you get it's the regular Sig case that you get. You do get a challenge coin. On the other side it says NRA, but here you got the Sig Sauer challenge coin. And let's just start going through the pistol right now. You do, in the case, you get, of course, the pistol with a 15-round collar matching mag, and you get two 12-rounders. So that's a pretty good amount of firepower that you get in the pistol. So putting all the extras aside, and the pistol has been safety checked, but I'll show you one more time. And this one is not sticking like the other did, the regular P365 XL, as we saw one of my prior videos. But it is exactly, there's nothing different from the other XLs, except for the color, the coin, and did you get a factory 15-round mag. You have the same flat face trigger that you get on the XL, although if you can see here, this gun has never been carried, it has never been shot. I just took it out of the box, and you can see there's already some wear showing on the finish. Let the focus catch up there. You see that? So that's not good. If you can see, it still has, you can see here, it still has the birthing fluids. It's a brand new gun. You can see, let it catch up. You can see the shiny areas here. The finish is starting to go. Not to go, but it's already showing some wear. There you go. So that's a look at the Sig P365 XL. Just a quick look at it. What do you think about it? Do you like the color? Do you find value in the fact that it comes with 3 mags, one 15-rounder, and two 12-rounders? And of course you get the challenge coin and the regular case. So what do you think? P365 XL and Coyote Tan NRA edition. Now you may start throwing some tomatoes at the screen if you will. And if you want, you can also install this XL grip frame in black, and now you have a peanut butter and chocolate one. This you've seen before in the channel if you've watched some of the other videos. This fantastic stipple job was done by Rocket City Stippling out of Alabama. Take a look at them. He is a true artist. And well, let's take a quick look. Let me do this quickly, and I'm going to do it off camera. So we can take a look at what the peanut butter and chocolate would look like. So there it is, the NRA edition. If you were to put the slide on my regular P365 XL, what do you think of that? Now you can really tell that the color of the mag doesn't match the color of the slide, the mag base plate. And since we're doing this, you can put the regular P365 slide on the NRA frame grip module. And that's what that would look like. Just a little fun with SIGs. But what I wanted to do today is just show you the P365 XL and the Coyote Tan, all Coyote Tan by Sig Sauer NRA edition. Tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. I post videos every Friday afternoon, so please circle back and take a look at what's coming next. There are some very interesting pistols coming up. And until the next time, God bless.